guys, Miss Andronicus here, and today we are looking at expanding brackets in expressions. So here's an example where you've got an expression and we're expanding those brackets. So the idea is that you take whatever number is outside the bracket, and I like to draw these visual arcs, okay? So you want to multiply whatever's on the outside of that bracket by each term on the inside of that bracket. So 2 times 3 is 6, and then you go 2 times negative y. So I really want you to think about that negative belongs to the y, okay? So 2 times, that's a positive 3, and 2 times negative y, so that's going to be a negative answer, negative 2y. Another example, here we've got 3 terms in the brackets, and that's okay. So again, we want to make sure that each one of these terms is multiplied by the negative 3, and that visual really helps you not to miss one. So you've got a negative 3 times a positive 4, okay? So we know it's positive because there's nothing in front of it. So equals on the left, negative 3 times 4 is a negative 12. Negative 3 times negative 2y, so negative 3, negative and a negative is a positive, and then you go 3 times 2 is 6, and y goes on the end. Then you've got negative 3 times a positive x, so one of each is always a negative answer, and it's just 3x. When you often have more than one term, you do check to see if you can collect any like terms. Number 3. Let's have a look. So again, we want to connect them all up. X times 5, they're both positive, so we've got 5x. X times negative 3x, so the negative 3 stays. And x times x is x squared. And then x positive times a positive is going to be a positive answer. That's 4x. Remember, we don't just say we're finished. We need to make sure we have a look across and we collect any like terms. In this case, we can box up this one, box up this one, and we have 2 like terms. They belong to the x family. So collect them up. That's 5 plus 4 is 9. There are 9 x's, and negative 3x squared stays there. In the final example we've got here, again, connect them all up. It doesn't matter how many terms in the brackets, it's everything in the brackets multiplied by what's on the outside. So numbers come first when we have numbers and letters, okay? So 2 times 3 is 6, x times x is x squared. Then we go 2 times negative y, okay, so that's going to be a negative answer. Negative 2, x times y, xy. And then 2 positives, so that's going to be positive 8. And then we go x times x is x squared, and we don't forget the y. Again, we have a quick look across to see if we've got any like terms. They're all slightly different. They're not exactly the same, so we don't. That's it, guys. Thanks. Ciao for now.